Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What's your name?
Fia.
You're Fia, and I'm Amy.
What do you want to do?
We're with Aim to Plan, and we're going to open this big box.
And we not open another box. Okay?
Okay.
Give me this crayon. This crayon.
This crayon?
Yes. Ooh, it's Fia. What's this?
What's color? Color.
That's a box.
Very good. Do you know how to write your ABCs? Just spell your name right there. Okay, good. And put a smiley face right here.
Mommy, help me.
Here, we help you. Ready? Oh no! Here, hold it together. Okay, ready? Circle, dot, smiley face. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to open the box, right?
Yes.
All right. You know what Mommy ordered? I ordered an Amy Tangerine box from Zulily. And so it was a really good deal, and so Mommy bought it from Zulily when it was on sale.
Amy still want
Couple of
two
days.
dresses.
Yeah, so let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, this box is really big, right?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
We need to cut away the bag down the front of it. Ooh.
Ooh, wow. Yeah, let's open it and see, okay? Okay, what's inside? What's inside?
What's inside?
It's paper.
Paper!
Okay, throw that away. Throw that away. Okay, and here's our box. This is what's in the box.
It's I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna take this big box out of the way.
It's gonna be.
Oh, sorry.
Let's cut it up.
Okay, let me turn it around so you can color. Here, go ahead and color.
It's quick.
Very nice. Okay, do you want to open it? No more coloring on the stuff inside, okay? Do you want to open?
Yes.
Okay, let's open this up, okay? What is this?
I don't know. It's name.
That's a tangerine because it's Amy Tangerine, and that's the tangerine fruit. So we're going to open it up. You want to open it?
Yes.
Yes. Mama's going to cut it open, so let's go see what's inside. Now, again, I bought this from Zulily when it was on promo.
It's a birthday cake.
And it's not a birthday cake, but I think it might be just as fun.
Let me open it. You want to see?
I'll let you open it after I cut it open with the scissors, right? And I have Sophia here helping me open this box. She's a very good helper. All right, I got one side open.
Okay.
And the other side open. Okay, let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, box. That's right, open it. What else? What is in here? Take that out. Let's put this. Oh, don't tear it, okay? Let's be careful a little bit.
Yes. Oh, that's my pink.
That's your favorite color, pink, right there? You're right. I think that is your favorite color.
And that's Daddy's favorite.
That's your... Which one is Daddy's favorite? The red? I don't know if Dad's favorite is red. I think this is upside down, so I'm going to flip it over.
Ooh, your planner.
Oh, you see a planner in there?
Yes.
Oh, be careful. Don't tear the paper, okay? Mommy's going to take this sticker off. You know what the sticker says? It says, happiness looks good on you, and it's so pretty. Mommy's trying to...
Put it on my dress.
I will put it on your dress right now as soon as I take it off, okay? Hold on just a second.
It's a pencil.
Oh no, I broke it. I broke it a little bit.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine? Oh, thank you, honey.
I'll cut it later.
You'll color it later so it's not broken anymore?
No. Yes.
I'm trying to be careful, but I ripped a little bit of the tissue paper.
Oh, it's a little bit sticky.
It is a little bit sticky still, baby. Okay, here's your sticker.
Put it dress. I don't want it on my dress.
Oh, you don't want it on your dress anymore because it's broken? Okay, well, Mommy's going to save it then.
I don't want to.
Look, I got the sticker. I'm going to use it later. Look at that sticker. It's so cute already. First thing. Took me forever to take it off, though. All right, I'll save that. And let's open it. All right, I'm going to open the paper and let's see what's in here. What is it?
It's a happy birthday set and melon fruit.
And you see the melon fruit? That's a tangerine. Remember, I told you. And it says Be Happy Box.
Oh, yeah.
And that's everything that comes inside it.
Look, it's a happy goal.
Okay, so Sophia, you grab this first. What is it?
I don't know. It's a purse.
Oh, it's a purse. It's a tote bag. It's not a purse. Look inside. Is it big?
Yeah.
Ooh, look. It's your favorite color. What color is it?
Pink.
It is pink. It's got pink straps and a pink bottom down there. It will be perfect to put my planner stuff.
Yeah.
What is that? Remember? Tangerine.
Tangerine.
There's a tangerine and a happy planner and Amy Tangerine and Plan a Happy Life. So that's the tote. Right. We do have the sticker book. I know a lot of people have already seen unboxings, and so you've seen these sticker books.
And this kind of is factory. It's mommy's.
Do you want to see the stickers in here first?
Yes.
Let's look. Let's flip through it.
I
You like the hearts?
And I like a pink.
You like the pink? Here, let's look at some of these, right?
Yes.
Do you like that?
Oh, I like this one.
Do you like the pink water right there?
Yes.
Let's flip one page at a time.
Yes.
What about this one? You like that one?
Yes.
That one's pretty, isn't it?
Yes.
And this pink right here, you like that one too?
Yes.
And this pink?
No, that's for Daddy.
This is red right here. This is dark pink and this is regular pink. So you like this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's look some more.
Oh, that's pink. That's Daddy's favorite color.
That dark pink? You like Daddy's favorite color, the dark pink?
No, Daddy's like blue.
Okay, what's Mommy's favorite color?
I like purple.
I do love purple.
I like peach.
You are right.
You like purple, so peach.
I like purple.
I like pink. And Daddy's like blue. I like pink.
You like that pink right there? What about this pink?
Oh, I like this too. And Daddy's. And you like purple. And purple.
That's pink, baby.
That purple.
That's blue.
That purple. That purple.
Okay, I guess it's kind of purple violet. You're right. Look at these quotes. Aren't they pretty? There's a lot of ABCs.
I like pink.
You do like the pink. You like the pink part of the rainbow.
I like pink, 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 pink.
Can you tell me what number that is? 1.
1.
2.
Pink.
Pink 2. 3.
3.
4.
4.
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
Look, we got a tape.
We'll look at tapes in a minute, okay? There's only a couple more sheets of the sticker book and then we'll look at the tapes. There's some boxes here. You like the pink box? And the hearts. Ooh, look at the hearts. Those are so pretty, right? And that's it. All done. Okay, sticker book.
Oh.
Do you want to look at tapes next or the calendar? Tape. Then Mom will open tape then. We're going to open this tape.
And put it away the ball.
Look. Ooh, tape. You know you love washi tape, huh?
I like this one.
You like the rainbow one?
Yes.
And what about this rainbow one?
Thank you.
And what about this one? You don't like this one as much? Mom likes the black and white, so that's really pretty.
I like this one too.
Oh, you like all 3 of them. Okay, well, Mom will put it in your tape. Okay, we're going to put this in Sophia's washi tape collection because you have a lot of washi tape already, right? I'll put it in your washi tape bag. Do you want to open this one now?
Yes.
Let's turn it around.
And now we do it together.
Yes.
And now it's the number 4. And then now it's pink and it's orange
This
and
is
5. And then do it
Very
blue
good.
and 4. Red is and yellow is 4. And number is 6.
Oh, this is pretty. The back. So this is the desk calendar. Some of it is already outdated since I
And
didn't
this
order
is
it late.
too.
Like, show the paper this way. And here's the paper too, right? With big ideas. With the glare on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has graph paper. And on the back is dot grid. And there's a dashboard. It says gratitude turns what we have into enough. We'll do the planner in just a minute, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Look, what is it? It's a pop socket that goes on the phone. Very cool.
It's yours.
Yes. You like this calendar?
Yes, I like it.
Look, it's so pretty, right?
Yes, it got 2 numbers.
Mm-hmm.
And pink.
Yes.
And
Oh, you skipped a page, baby. And this one. And what about this one? You like that one too?
Yes.
And what about this one?
I like pink.
You like the pink part, right? And what about this one?
It's Daddy's favorite.
Daddy's favorite, blue? I thought Daddy's favorite was red.
Oh, red.
Okay, and then last thing is the planner.
We already finished the blocks.
Okay, let's look and see, okay?
Okay,
You want to open it up? Open.
Oh, look. It's pictures for your friends.
It's pictures from my friends. Yeah, maybe they are my friends. They're my favorite people.
My favorite people is, I don't know.
Mommy and Daddy? We should put a picture of Mommy and Daddy there because that's your favorite people, right?
No, and my cousin.
Oh, your cousins? Let's put a picture of your cousins there. That way you can like them the most. Look at that.
That's your favorite friend.
It's purple. And that one's your favorite one. It's pink.
And Daddy's favorite is red.
Is red? Whose favorite is orange? Nobody?
Nobody.
I don't know either.
People go home. Pink.
Yeah, it is pink. You like it, right? It's pretty.
That's my pink. Go. That's my pink. Oh, that's my pink. And that's your purple.
Yes.
That's purple for you.
Thank you. I love purple.
I love red.
You don't. Daddy, I thought. Is it Daddy or not?
Yes.
Yes. Like this, all the calendar, and here's some more calendar. Do you want me to use this as your memory book, Sophia, with all the colorful discs?
Yes.
You want me to? I can, baby.
I like pink. And like Daddy's red and Daddy like purple.
You are correct. Do you like all the colors together? It looks like a rainbow like this, though?
Yes, I like to color with this. It's like a pink.
Yes.
It's for you, only Daddy.
It's for you. This is yours. Do you want to use this to draw in
Yes.
and put all your memories in?
Let's
And
color it together.
we're going to color together. Look, it's so pretty, right?
We done, Mommy. Let's do it together. Close your eyes.
Wait, let me flip through just all these and look at it. Look at the pink pretty, huh?
Yes, and this part is.
This part of the pink is pretty. And what about this one?
Oh, that is. I don't know.
This
That's
one?
pink and pink. That's pink and pink and pink.
You like those
Papa?
too?
Pink, red, and red.
Okay, and let's scoot back and turn some more and see this one. Do you like anything here?
Yes.
The pink?
Yes.
It says inspiration. You like the inspiration?
It's happy birthday to you.
Oh, maybe it does say that. This one says joy. You don't like the yellow as much, huh?
And I pink.
The pink it says happy.
Happy birthday.
Oh no, just happy, not happy birthday. Look, oh, there's all the pink up there. You like that?
It's happy birthday.
Do you like this planner? I think it's really pretty, baby. Look, there's some pink right here.
Yes, I like it.
You like it?
I like this too.
Oh,
I like this too.
you like it?
I like it too.
Okay.
I like that too.
Wow, so pretty. This planner is beautiful, and thank you for Sophia joining me. It takes a lot longer to unbox with Sophia around, but she enjoys just kind of digging through some of the materials and supplies that I purchase, and especially all the boxes. She loves opening boxes. So this planner is one that obviously I got from that Be Happy box, and it is already at this point October, and so 3 months of it are already outdated. And what I'm thinking of doing is actually not even starting this planner until January. And so what I will do is move these first 6 months to the back and just redate half of it, and then keep and use starting in January the first 6 months, which I won't have to redate, and then I'll go from there. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this planner. I'm thinking it will be either my social media planner or my wellness planner, or it might work well for Sophia's memory book, and so I'm not really sure yet. I'm still kind of toying with what my 2020 lineup to be, but this is going to be one of the ones that I'll be using. And I did purchase the Be Happy box from Zulily. The promotion is still, it's not up anymore. It was for I think about a week or two, and so I ended up purchasing a Be Happy box from that. I'm not a huge fan of rainbow, and so that's why I didn't originally purchase the Be Happy box and that's actually the reason why I don't have the first box either, because it was very much a rainbow theme. And so I did purchase the second and the fourth box straight from the Mambi website. But this one, I just couldn't resist the deal of having it be at the price it was at Zulily. So I did pick this up, and so I'm looking forward to kind of playing with it. Rainbow is not really my thing, so I think it'll be a challenge for me to try to use it. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I really hope that you enjoyed hanging with me and Sophia. If you enjoy my videos, please do give us a like, and please do consider subscribing. I look forward to creating more content. It has been slow going for this channel because I have been sick for, I feel like, the past 2 months, and so videos are slowly coming up, but I feel better now, and I'm hoping in the next couple of weeks that I can get back to the regular schedule that I was keeping of at least 2 videos a week. And so with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye!